The next time you're about to bin a squeezed lemon, stop right there. For its peel, we'll have you know, is packed with goodness. The ancient Greeks and Romans have recorded the many benefits of every part of the lemon fruit, including its peel. Strong bones. The high content of bone-friendly calcium and vitamin C in the lemon peel can help keep bones and teeth strong. Vitamin C is also involved in producing protein collagen, which is an essential building block for our cartilage, ligaments, tendons, skin, and blood vessels. Cancer. Research shows that a diet high in citrus peels can help protect against certain types of skin cancer. Lemon oil from the peel of the fruit is also rich in D-limonene, an antioxidant compound that shows promise in combating breast and colon cancer. Blood pressure. Lemon peel has a high content of potassium which, along with calcium and magnesium, helps relax the blood vessel walls and keeps your blood pressure under control. Constipation. Lemon peel has plenty of the fruit's fiber content, also known as roughage. Fiber helps prevent constipation, ulcers, and acid reflux. Fiber also plays a role in regulating our body weight and may help lower the risk of diabetes. Wounds and infections. Extracts of lemon peel, and other citrus peels, can help in healing wounds. Wound healing is usually slower in diabetics than in other healthy individuals. But when test subjects in the study were given oral doses of citrus peels including lemon peel, the wounds healed faster. Acne. Lemon peel has astringent and antimicrobial properties, making it an effective tool for acne control. The essential oils in the lemon peel help cleanse the skin while mint acts as a toner. Add some lemon peel to fruit juices to get the best of its flavonoids. Cut down on salt, which may increase blood pressure, and, instead, add lemon zest to your food as a flavorful substitute. Drop some lemon peel into a cup of green or black tea while it steeps, and enjoy the soothing drink with a hint of tang. Sundry lemon peels and grind or pound them into powder, mix in cake batter, or add a pinch of the powder to marinades. Add a lemony flavor to rice or quinoa by infusing lemon peel into the water used for boiling.